Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Garmin Tandem Dash Cam, and now I'm gonna show you how to record, or how to enable recording, or how to disable recording the audio on this device. To do it, you need to click on the mic button on your Garmin camera, or if this button is not working, maybe because of physical damage or something about it, you can do it using the Garmin Drive application in the same way. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.